Ladies and gentlemen, the winner by split decision and Olympic champion.
Do canto azul.
Ramirez has taken it. Cuba has another gold medalist.
Oh, I don't like to lose.
Isa sa mga matunog na pangalan ngayon sa boxing ay itong dating Olympic silver medalist, undefeated at 2 division world champion na si Shakur Stevenson. May kasalukuyang kartada na 18 wins, 0 loss, 92 via knockout, 25 pa lang ang edad, 5'7 ang tangkad at isang southpaw. Unang naging world champion taong 2019 nang talunin niya ang kapwa undefeated na si Joet Gonzalez via unanimous decision at makuha ang WBO World Featherweight title. 2021 naman nang makuha niya ang pangalawang titulo sa pangalawang division nang makalaban niya at matalo via TKO ang nooy defending WBO World Super Featherweight Champion na si Jamil Herring. Huling laban niya ay noong Abril lang kontra sa kapwa undefeated boxer from Mexico na si Oscar Valdez para ito sa pagdipinsa niya sa dalawa niyang titulo at matagumpay niyang tinalo si Valdez via unanimous decision. Ngayong Sabado naman ang susunod niyang laban. Makakasalo niya sa ibabaw ng lona ang 2016 Olympic gold medalist na pambato ng bansang Brazil. Ito ay si Robson Consicao. Marami ang naniniwalang easy fight lang ni Shakur itong si Consicao. Wala daw itong laban sa galing at skills ni Shakur. Marami din ang naniniwalang magiging future pound for pound itong tubong Amerika dahil sa angking galing nito sa bakbakan. Excellent ang galawan, footwork, head movement ay suwabe. Pero sa kabila ng kaniyang katanyagan at ganda ng takbo ng kanyang karera ay may malungkot din pala siyang pinagdaanan. Base sa boxrec.com, may impresibo siyang record sa amateur na 61 wins, 6 losses, 2 dito via knockout. Pero sa kanyang huling laban sa amateur na kung saan bit-bit niya ang bandera ng Amerika para sa gold medal round sa 2016 Olympic ay luha at hinagpis ang nalasap niya. Nakalaban kasi niya sa gold medal round ang 2012 Olympic gold medalist na si Robsy Ramirez na pambato ng bansang Cuba. At sa laban ay natalo nga si Shakur via split decision. Nakuha ni Ramirez ang pangalawang gintong medalya habang silver naman ang kay Stevenson. Matapos ang laban, sa isang interview ay di na napigilan ni Shakur na humagulgol sa iyak, tila di matanggap na ang kanyang nakuha ay isang medalyang pilak.
I don't like to lose.
Pero aminado naman siya na deserve ni Ramirez ang panalo dahil sa magaling din daw talaga ito. Ating balikan ang sobrang dikit na laban ni Shakur Stevenson kontra Robsy Ramirez, ang 2016 Olympic gold medal round.
Dressing rooms after the semi-final, and I thought he looked very tired, understandably. All about the recovery. Scheduled for 3 3-minute rounds, the bantamweight gold medal Cuba against Shakur Stevenson of the United States of America. Both southpaws here. Luke Campbell of Great Britain took this gold medal 4 years ago in London, since turned professional.
Stevenson is a little bit more elusive.
It's coming out of Ramirez in his camp.
They're doing support here, but Ramirez is way too good. American here because they perhaps have nullified one of Ramirez's biggest strengths.
Closing minute of round 1.
Fashion.
Good right jab there as well from Ramirez. Possessed lightning reflexes, and good counter left there from Stevenson.
From the referee McFarlane, he was happy to let them keep working, and they do want to work. That was below.
Stop! Julio Cesar La Cruz and 3 bronze. Matches their total number of medals in London 4 years ago. Won a couple of goals then. About to find out how the judges saw that opening round. Cuba haven't taken bantamweight gold in each of the last 2 Olympics. Took 3 of the previous 4 though. Their last goal
Into a fine career in the professional ranks. Doesn't happen awfully often. To do in that brilliant semi-final. it might be fair to say to this stage in the second round, Ramirez has controlled the tempo very, very well. The corner briefly, that needed to come sneaking round the ribcage, under the elbow, and it didn't happen. Just a sense that the young... That was a nice one. Left hook to the...
Closing 10 seconds of...
I love to see calm words in the corner in this cauldron here. It does not help when you start reading the riot act to your fighter.
All three for Stevenson, so on the third and final round, it's closed right up, they're dead level.
Claim the round.
Gold medal on the line then, Robersy Ramirez of Cuba, Shakur Stevenson of the United States, all on this fight. Both men scoring there.
Stop! Stop! See? Listen to me when I say stop.
Excellent there from Stevenson. Right cross lead which hit the target, and he was downstairs and waiting for Ramirez, and he got 3 or 4 again, telling body blows in there.
Good work though from Ramirez, back comes Stevenson.
Yeah. Fire's been lit now for Ramirez, and hasn't gone away in this fight.
Closing minute.
I just wonder, certainly not anything like as fresh as he was earlier in the tournament. It can happen. Walked over against Nikitin of Russia, who failed the doctor.
Oh, good right from Stevenson, walked right into that Ramirez.
Might come down to the last 30 seconds.
Stevenson has switched from body to head very intelligently in this gold medal bout. Is that going to be decisive? Late one after the bell from Shakur Stevenson.
Never quite as incisive with his punching in this final for me, Ramirez, as he was in the semi.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner by split decision and Olympic champion.
Azul.
Ramirez has taken it. Cuba has another gold medalist.
Split 2-1. That is how very close it was to going the other way.
Shakur, I know you're emotional right now. What are you feeling?
I'm hurt.
And that third was extremely close. Did you think you had done enough to win the fight?
Nah, I had to make it clear. I like all my fights to be clear victories. I felt he got his victory, and much respect to him.
With the silver medal, which is an incredible accomplishment, can you take any pride in that?
No, I don't like to lose.
I know you're hurting, Shakur. I appreciate you stopping by. Great job.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.